Here is video 2 on my Black & Decker box fan, 9 inches. Now I got this fan, I think 2 years ago, and it's been a really good fan lately. I'll make a third video on my Comfort Zone box fan, which goes well with it. So, yeah. I know the sun behind it actually makes the blades look transparent, but they're white. And then the knob for the switch, there's the badge. I don't think there's any way to get inside the fan. Well, there is, just by the screws. The handle right here, and then the motor. And the blades. So let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. This is low speed right here. The cord is actually pretty short for a fan like this. It is a bit out of balance, I can definitely feel it. Here's medium. Oh, it starts from low. Here's medium. And here's high speed. It's for sure not as fast as the Comfort Zone. It has a bit this thing right here, I'm not sure what it is. But of course, it makes the fan look really nice. And it's already at full speed, which is nice. So here's off. And spin down time actually is pretty good. Like this real quick. That's it for this one, so thanks for watching. As always, peace.